You been acting different lately? What's going on?
Nothing. You just overthinking.
You can't hide this forever. He deserves to know.
I'm scared, Dre. This will destroy everything.
Okay, guys, welcome to the video. So let's get straight to the prompt. Not wasting your time, guys. Let's do this fast. So you go to ChatGPT as your first step. Then on ChatGPT, you go into type in a prompt. So the video that you just saw in the beginning, this is the prompt that I used. So it will give you the results. You just give it the story how you want it to be and give it the vibe that you want. And it's important for you to include the dialogue part so that it gives you the script for your scene so that your characters can talk. Okay, so this is the results that I used for the first scene. So now we're generating the second scene. So we're doing this together. So when you finished getting a prompt for your story or drama series, it's important for you to ask for a picture for your first scene. Then you're going to use this picture for your reference. Okay, so now we just did a picture for the second scene that we're going to use. This is the second picture below. So now what we're going to do is copy the prompt for the scene 2. Okay, let's do this. Just going to copy here. Then when you leave ChatGPT, guys, you must copy everything. You must have your picture and your script. So now we go to Google Labs. Google Labs, that's where you find Google Flow inside. Okay, you're going to use the Google Flow system. Okay, then when you get inside, you're going to need to sign in. Then when you sign in, this is the interface you're going to see at the top. So these are some of what I've generated before. So you're going to click on new project. Okay, so new project, we start by the picture that we spoke about that you need to have your reference picture. So we're going to go to our gallery, just click here, then I'll select my picture. Okay, now it's uploading my reference image. So it's either you can have your image for the start and the end. It gives you two options so that it's going to generate exactly how you want it to start and exactly how you want it to end. Okay, so now while it's loading, let's not waste time. We're going to include our prompt that we used, that we copied from ChatGPT. So this is how it looks from here. Then we click generate. So if you would like me to make a review of another site or an app or any other AI tool, then you can drop it on the comment below and I will make a video for you guys. So if you watched till this far, then thank you for watching this video. I'm going to generate the second scene, then I'll play it at the end.
Who is Dre? And why he talking about the baby like it's his?
Marcus, I can explain.
You carrying his child after everything I did for you?
It was a mistake. I didn't mean for this to happen.
That's my child, Marcus, and you deserve the truth. Loyalty ain't something you say, it's something you show.